Mick West explained how our smartphone video cameras can turn regular airplanes into Tic Tac UFOs. There's no question that this is a problem, because here is the same airplane at 37,000 feet, and a professional video camera has no problem showing you it's an airplane, whereas our smartphones turn it into a blob of pixels. But is that always going to be the case? Because in this video, you can see a tic-tac shaped object and an airplane right next to it.
Oh, my baby. My baby. Yeah, you've been playing hard today, huh?
Mm-hmm. What are you doing?
So if we scrub this video and take a snapshot of one of these frames where both objects are present, we can then clip it out and upscale it. And by the color, this is probably a Southwest Airlines 737, but I have no idea what this is. You can see the original clip that we imported, and then the AI upscales, and I don't understand how this thing flies. But you can definitely say that the smartphone did not turn this into a tic-tac, and yet in the same frame we have, I guess, a tic-tac. One other thing I want to mention is I'll take a clip of the airplane as it flies overhead. And as you can see, the smartphone camera can also distort the pictures. This very compressed AI tried to fix the broken wing, but you have to go through several clips in order to get the best picture. This next video is the amber white Wichita, Kansas Tic Tac video. It's a really good one. So we can see references to a few known airplanes.
Okay, what in the hell is that?
And we get a sense of what the full zoom capability is of the phone.
Whoa, what in the fuck? That is not a goddamn airplane.
So we will take a fully zoomed clip of this airplane.
That's an airplane.
Clip these out and then upscale them. So after it's upscaled, there's no sign of color, no tail fin, no wings. I don't know what the heck this is. I mean, you should at least see a tail fin or some shade of wing. Yeah, I don't know. It's a flying propane tank.
What is that?
Can you zoom in?
Yeah, I'm doing it.
Is that a plane? I don't see any wings though.
There's no wings on it. Hang on.
And there's another plane right there.
Where? Oh yeah, there's a plane right there. Look at that. What is that, honey?
It's making no sound.
Yes. Whoa, 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 whoa,
You got the? Are you videotaping?
Yes,
it?
I am. What is that?
What the hell? That's not a plane. There's no wings.
Well, honey, I don't know. Hang on.
And this one looks like a flying bathtub. How is it possible to think that that's any kind of an airplane? And here is another clip. Yeah, I don't know how something like that flies through the air. In some of the smartphone videos, you'll see a dark spot in the middle of the Tic Tac. That usually indicates that it is an airplane wing, and you can see it when you upscale.
UFO.
And sometimes it's just difficult to figure out what it is.
By my house, where is it? There it is, right there. That is a UFO, people.
And it's coming the same direction as all of the rest of them around this time yesterday. That is a UFO, and it's flying directly over my house. Oh my God. Let me step back. I'm gonna catch this thing some more so you guys can see where it goes. Where is it? There it is. There it is. There it is. UFO guy.
Like, you think that you might see some wings here, but it just doesn't show up quite like you expect. And you just can't find what you're looking for. So you just don't see the markings to have the confidence to say for sure that it's an airplane. And thanks for watching.
That is weird.
Yeah, it is weird.
Maybe I can
They're
zoom
staying
in.
the same distance.